ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாங்க இன்னைக்கு செகண்ட் டே கிளாஸ்க்கு போகலாம். டுடே டீச் அபவுட் எடிட் மெனு. ஸோ எடிட் ஆல்ரெடி தரவு ஃபார் ஃபைல் மெனு. ஐ புட் ஒன் வீடியோ here see and தரவு this file menu. Today second class I tell about the edit menu. So edit menu, first of all edit menu whatever option itself is there. So undo, redo, cut, copy, office clipboard, paste special, paste as, hyperlink, clear, select all, find, replace, go to and object. So more than option is there. Few options only importance. Undo, this side this icons not select, no, so we can work out automatically that icons is display. Okay, so undo means previous action whatever do, that is called the undo. Redo means current action. Cut means unwanted data, so we can select, before that select the data, don't want the data, using cut option. Copy means the select the option, more than time you want that option, this option use and copy it. Okay, paste means more than time that same word same paragraph you want, using paste special means some special formulas using paste specials. Okay, paste as hyperlink, we can whatever content you paste it, that link to another website. Say clear means whatever data you select, that data is cleared. Selected, full data is select. Find, some others wrong word, find out using find option, that wrong word correct using replace option. Go to means go to the correct place cursor, then object. Okay, so I tell you one by one. Yeah, see this already I typed this paragraph. Okay, so using undo, before that empty screen is there now. So undo means previous action. Previous means empty pages is the current. Redo means current action. Undo means previous action. Redo means current action. And previous empty pages is plain pages is there. So next I type the paragraph. So redo means current action. Understood? Next, very important, cut, copy and paste. So before that copy the document, before that select it. First of all select the text. So go to edit menu, select all. This paragraph I want 2 times, so select the paragraph using select all. Next press copy option, copy. Next how many time you want, so press paste. 2 time I want, no? You press 2 times, paste here down. Coming up again 1 time, one you press 3 times. Understood? Copy means whatever data you want, before that select the text, choose the edit menu, press copy option. Next how many time you want the data, press paste option. Okay, next don't want this paragraph, so at the before that select using cut, that paragraph erase. Understood or not? So now clear, cut, copy and paste. So whatever data you want, before that select the data, press the copy options. How many time you want the same paragraph or letters, anything, press paste option. So don't want the paragraph, select and cut. So understood? Cut, copy and paste. Paste special means that is the formula using the paste special options. Clear means don't want the same like that cut options. So whatever data don't want, select and cut. So select the paragraph using clear options and content eraser. Understood? Next, find and replace. So very important, find and replace. What purpose using? Find means wrong words, sometimes you type the wrong word, that word corrected using the find and replace options. So okay, yeah, here lived there, no, so I put wrongly. I added. Here also I, the two words is there. So go to the find and replace option. Here type the lived. So livedi I put wrongly. Here correct word put. Replace correct word put. Okay. So replace means only one places changes, replace all. More than places there now, that replace all option use. So two places there now. So some dialog plus display, two places replaced. Okay. Press OK option. Here see, two places replaced. Live changed, lived changed. So understood, find and replace. Next go to. So suppose you type the more than paragraph, 100 pages is type. So you want the particular pages, using go to option. Choose the page number. Which page you want, that page number put and OK. Next finish press, automatically that page is displayed. So now clear. So edit menu. So well practice and come. Next video I put the view menus. Thank you.